How to draw the isometric? This is a box. To draw the isometric, you have to have one, draw the axis using 30 degrees. Have your 30 by 60. Vertical, 30, 30. Then measure the length, the depth, and the height. The length, the depth, and the height. With sound effect. Then draw the box using 30 by 60. Draw the box. Then complete the views if necessary. Now supposing this is like this. So you complete the views. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, get that measurement. No need to measure, just the corner and draw that one. It's like that. So you have the answer. Supposing I make this incline. What will I do? Measure this. Measure this one. And draw that line. See what will happen. By making this cut there, you produce a corner there, which is this one. Okay? Creativity will come in. How you look at 3D.
Wow.
So top view po yun nasa top left ko, ano? Sure.
We have another example.
Kamad. 3D.
By the way, when you measure, orthographic measure
Yun, wala na.
only vertical and horizontal lines. From here, don't measure that when you draw this one. This line will differ either shorter or longer here. Here, measure only vertical and 30-degree lines. You will measure only along these lines. Along isometric lines or lines parallel to the axis. So you measure complete the box. I cut the figure here. In effect, there is a corner here, there is a corner here. This portion was removed. Let's see what happens there.
May galis.
Yan, bilis na gari, no? Very powerful gun, no? That is metal.
Diyos ko po.
Pero may problem.
I cut it here. What will happen?
Hindi ko naiisip kung saan pupunta.
Medyo nakakalito kaya... Malinit nakakalito.
Oh, wala na yan eh. Hangin na yan. Hangin. It's already air. This is air already. Meaning hanggang dyan na lang siya. Ano sunod? Ano sa tingin mo?
Aray ko nahilo.
Oh.
Naka... Oo ano.
So, it is this one. And
Diyos ko.
this one is... Obvious ba? Obvious? Ayan. Kaya ito po ay ayan. Ah? Naging corner yan eh, oh.
Nakakayak naman.
At ang haba niyan ay kasing haba niyan na hanggang dyan lamang. Sapagkat hanggang dyan lang siya. Kaya ito na yun. This completes the figure.
Ang gulo nga.
Wow.
Nakakababa
This is
naman.
drawing. We have a hidden line. The hidden line, that's the corner, dikit yan. Huwag mag-overlap sa visible line. No overlapping the visible line. Diba, ito yung ano.
800 plus 500.
The intersection of hidden lines should be like this.
Naku,
Ito po ay nag-intersect. The dashes should intersect. Not empty spaces because there can be no intersection. If it is a space, like there can be no love for empty hearts.
Nice, PB.
And those who have no capacity to love themselves cannot love others. So love yourself first. Because if you don't love yourself, no one will believe you. You can love others. This 14, you must remember, we must fall in love.
PB, nice, PB.
Huh? You must fall in love, Gomez.
Independence Day mo na naman.
Fall in love with your subject,
Oo, tama.
with your studies.
Tama.
Saka na sa ano ha, opposite sex, saka na, pag graduating ka na.
PB.
You know, if you love what you're doing, you're not going to experience hardship because everything will be full of enjoyment. Look at the others, they can sit 24 hours in the computer, they love games.
PB.
My son, my youngest, loko sa Dota, di ko alam na. Hanggang ngayon.
PB
Sabi ko, nung high school yun eh, anak, wala ka ng financier. Yung financier niya, 16 years. My son is 36 years old now. My youngest is 19. 17 years difference. Napaka-close ng eldest ko at saka youngest. Imagine 17 years difference. Samantalang may kumpare ako. 8 years difference lang. Nagre-reklamo yung bulsong kapatid ko. Daddy, ayaw makipaglaro ni Kuya sa akin. Eh, paano ang bata-bata? Tanda-tanda ko na anong laro ang pwede natin laruin na gusto ko, gusto mo. Yung gusto ko, ayaw mo eh. Yung gusto mo, ayaw ko eh.
PB, panglaro na yung PB.
But my eldest son, financier, yung pala yung bunso ko, panglaban, nagsa-champion. Sabi ko, uy, may galing pala ito ah. Pero ang mga grade niya, palakol. Hindi kaya ng mga nauna kong mga anak talaga, wide leader, kaya ang gagaling ng grades. Especially my